like, you guys want to see, like, the most funniest stuff ever? Hold on, she's not here yet. My sister's actually pushmowing her own lawn, and the neighbor is not doing it for her. Look, look. How many birthday? Look how long that is. That is horrible. Here's her neighbor's lawn. Here's her lawn. That is the funny thing. It's raining. Crappy as hell. And we're mowing in it, if you can believe that. We're cold, we're soaked, we're ready to go home. Brooke's birthday is tonight. We're going to the bar, Route 20. What are you doing? She's mowing off her neighbor's plants. Oh, that's funny. My sister doesn't give a fuck. The grass is so fucking... Oh my god. Look, look. I'll wait till she comes closer so you guys can see her reaction. She's almost done, I think. Anyways, we're cold. We're soaked. We've probably got a couple more to do and then we're going to call it a quits because the rain doesn't look like it's going to stop anytime soon, so. Oh my god. Oh yeah, here she comes. Oh, never mind. Oh man, it's been a long, crazy day. Anyways, yeah, Route 20 tonight. Brooke's birthday. 22 you're gonna be? Yeah. Yeah, 22 you're gonna be. I thought I'm not wrong. My bad. Right? Oh, here she comes. Look. On that note, I should probably go blow the sidewalk. That should just put grass all over it. So, video for the day. Cold, rainy ass day. Another day at work, so maybe I'll have more videos tonight at the bar. Oh yeah, we definitely will. Alright. Yeah, it's time for me to go. I gotta go help her.